Company Imaging, take one.
Sky Sox baseball.
That ball is tagged, and that ball is gone. That thing is on its way, and there it goes. Oh, did he clobber that baby?
Sky Sox baseball, sponsored by Frost Brewed Coors Light, Pepsi, the official soft drink of Sky Sox baseball, U.S. Army, Army Strong, Security Service Federal Credit Union, and South Colorado Springs Nissan. The way we do business means a great deal to you. Keep it right here for Sky Sox Report on News Talk 1460 KZNT.
You talk about a wild, wild ball game.
The Q Zoo on 102.7 FM. There's definitely something in the coffee.
Throw up your rock fist if you're feeling it when I drop this.
Q102.7 KBIQ. The Factor. The Factor. Music for the discriminating ear. Q102.7 KBIQ. It's not your mama's rock and roll. Or maybe it is. The Factor. Q102.7 KBIQ. Prime cuts by artists you love.
Hey, what's up? This is Toby Mac.
This is The Factor. Prime cuts by artists you love.